Hi, welcome to OMiT Digital Roundup. As we discussed last week, we are introducing videos for digital marketing aspirants to learn more of the updates and a bit of digital marketing, knowledge and all. So today I'm going to talk about Facebook Pixel. A Facebook Pixel, basically, it's a code which is given by Facebook. It helps you to track your events. It could be online event, it could be offline event. So if you have a website and if you want to know where your visitors are coming and what is their behavior, if you want to know whether they are adding your product to your cart or not, so you can use Facebook Pixel code to track all these events. Basically, Facebook has two codes. One is Facebook online event code and another one is Facebook offline event code. So these codes are generated by Facebook and you have to ask your developer to install it, or even you can install it by the help of instruction which is given by Facebook. So in these codes, what you can do, you can insert the code on the home page or on the add to cart page or thank you page or whatever goal you want to set in. You can do that and you can remarket the same product or the same page when a visitor visits your website and when he signs in into Facebook. So at that point of time, when he has seen a product and the same product if you see in the Facebook, again the brand identity or your branding goes much more better with the help of Facebook code. For example, if I go to Amazon and if I click on men's shoes and I have liked certain product in the men category and I don't buy it, but what I do, I exit from Amazon and I log in into my Facebook account, and after few minutes same product will be seen on my Facebook wall. So that's what remarketing is called. It is used by Facebook Pixel, wherein it helps you to track a person and show the product again in Facebook and do a remarketing. That's what Facebook Pixel does. Okay, so Facebook offline event code basically helps you to track your offline events. If somebody visits your store and you take their phone number, email ID and what action has been taken, and if you want to remarket the same product to them, then you can use the Facebook offline event code. So these are the two basic pixel codes which is generated by Facebook. We are looking for more type of codes from Facebook. Let's see what happens. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, follow OMiT in all the social media channels, and stay tuned. Bye bye.